I just realized I should have put a disclaimer because that was kinda gross. Hello friends, we are so close to Halloween and I am so excited. Halloween is the best day of the year in my opinion, and I truly hope that you guys have been enjoying my Halloween videos so far. In today's video, we are stepping away from my typical cute Halloween treat recipes and we are going to be making something on the bloodier and grosser side of Halloween. So as you saw in the first clip, we are going to be making bloody cyst cupcakes. The best part of these cupcakes is that they're actually interactive, so before you eat them, you can actually squeeze them. So in today's video, we are making pumpkin spice cupcakes. These cupcakes are my go-to flavor for fall. They are so delicious, so moist, and have the perfect amount of spice. So if you're watching this video to learn how to make the best pumpkin spice cupcakes, definitely keep watching because you don't have to make them all gross and pussy. Ew, I hate that word. I can't believe I just said that. But yeah, just keep watching them and you'll learn how to make the best pumpkin spice cupcakes. So while you're mixing your cupcake batter, we don't want to overmix, so we're just going to continue mixing until we no longer see flour in the bowl. So this was a little oopsie on my end, so the vanilla extract preferably should be added in with the pumpkin and egg mixture from the beginning, but because I forgot, I'm just going to add it now and continue mixing the batter. So now I am just taking our pumpkin spice batter and scooping them into my cupcake tray with my liners, and this recipe yields about 18 cupcakes. So while the cupcakes are in the oven, we're going to be working on our buttercream, and of course, what pairs the best with pumpkin spice cupcakes? It's cream cheese buttercream. So here I am just combining my softened cream cheese and butter and mixing it together with my hand mixer. Next, we are going to add in our vanilla extract and continue mixing. This buttercream only has 4 ingredients, so we're almost done, and it's super delicious and easy. And our last ingredient for today is our powdered sugar, and obviously cardinal rule, make sure to add the powdered sugar gradually so you don't end up with a white cloud of death. So now that our buttercream is complete, it's time to set that off to the side, and now we can work on our quote-unquote skin. Ugh, that's so gross. So I am just taking some white fondant and coloring it with ivory coloring to get it to match my skin color as closely as possible. And if you notice that your fondant is getting a little too sticky, just roll it around in some cornstarch and it should be just fine. Once the fondant has been rolled out, I'm taking a circle cookie cutter, which should roughly be the same size as your cupcakes, and I'm just going to be punching holes into this fondant. So now that we have our fondant circles, take away the excess fondant, and I'm taking a smaller circular cookie cutter and punching holes in the center of each circle. Out of the oven, your cupcake should look something like this, and make sure to let them cool for about 20 minutes before assembling them. Make sure to pipe the buttercream very flat and closer to the center of the cupcake. Now we are going to take our fondant skin and place it over our cupcake, pushing down the edges of the fondant to the sides of the cupcake. Last but not least, it's time to add some fake blood. Then we repeat this process for the rest of our cupcakes. Adding the fake blood, make sure to concentrate it on the inner line of that smaller circle, just so it looks like the blood is coming from the inside. And now we squeeze. Ooh, so gross, but so fun. Dr. Pimple Popper who? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These cupcakes were super fun to make, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more yummy videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.